Oh my god. You ever like burp and then you're like, was that me? Like that was so loud. Okay. There's this one time in college, my friends and I got really drunk in our dorm room. We stumbled off campus to a random house party. And we got into this party by saying that we knew somebody named John. Because there's always a fucking person named John. So we got in, my friends wanted more alcohol, and by this time I wanted food. So I scoured their kitchen cabinets, and the only thing I could find was a jar of peanut butter. So I'm like, I'm faced with a decision. Do I put the peanut butter back, or do I like become a creative genius? And I'm like, no, I did not go through 2,000 years of human evolution to be denied food when I'm drunk. So I took this jar of peanut butter, I took my hand, and I cupped it like the original primate that I am, and I just stuck it in that jar of peanut butter. Eventually, my best friend Billy shouts at me, "What the fuck are you doing?" And I just said, I was hungry. So we screwed the jar back on the lid, screwed the lid back on the jar, and we put the jar back in the cabinet like it had been undisturbed. Oh, we're done. Whew.